Gonna make ourselves some tasty chicken shits. So this should be good. We got some chicken tenderloin from the chicken breast. Gonna make ourselves some tasty chicken shits. So this should be good. We got some chicken tenderloin from the chicken breast. After getting the salt and the dry spices in there, toss in a shot of lemon juice. Like that, get it in there. Start mixing it around. And then let it sit for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. After getting the salt and the dry spices in there, toss in a shot of lemon juice. Like that, get it in there. Start mixing it around. And then let it sit for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. So once you've marinated them for a few minutes, take them out from the bowl and place them on a cutting board and cut them in half. So this way we double our portions because they're supposed to be just bite size. And then afterwards, get your bacon ready and we... Alright, so we got ourselves some bite-sized pieces right here. And I will start wrapping these pretty quick. Okay, so we're gonna wrap our chicken up. I'm gonna start off kind of like this. Fold this over. I'm going to roll that like that. Then I'm gonna twist it like that. Bring it forward. Like that. Roll it. Like that, twist, like that, continue to twist and roll, and there we have it, a nice chicken bite. Go like that, roll it right here in the middle, I roll it like that, halfway through, I twist, make another twist, cap it off, like that.
Deft.
Hi guys, so here we have it. We've got it on our grill, so I'm going to bake this at around 425 for about 20 minutes, and then I'll come and have a looky-loo at it, and if it needs a bit longer I might toss it in, but I doubt it's going to need any longer than that. They're chicken tenderloins with bacon, one strip on each, so it should be pretty easy to cook. So leave it on there and keep an eye on it, and like I said, about 15-20 minutes at 425. And so here it is. I've cooked these for about 27 minutes, 28 minutes. After 20 minutes I set it on for another 7 minutes, and then I kind of left it after about a minute after it started beeping. So about 28 minutes, 30 minutes. So now I'm going to let this sit and rest for about 5 minutes. And that's it, guys. There you have it. Serve it with your favorite sauce. I decided to go with some plum sauce. So enjoy. Give it a like. Give it a share. And we'll catch you on the flip. Enjoy some tasty shit.